Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to zoom in and out on the Gmail page. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Let's go on Gmail page first. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you two ways. The first one is just press Ctrl plus minus button from your keyboard and it will zoom out the page. In order to zoom in, just press Ctrl plus icon from your keyboard and it will zoom in like this. Now the second way is just go on top right corner and click on these three dots, and after that just press on this minus icon. Sorry, it will zoom out. And if you want to zoom in, just click on this plus icon and it will zoom in like this. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.